Stupid. I tried, nigga. I'ma get in the booth soon, nigga. Yeah, JL in the motherfucking computer, iMac, whatever the fuck he got. I say it like this. I say, blowing trees, whipping in the coupe. Girl blowing me down like some chicken soup. Watch your teeth for your ass gets the boot. I let her test the mic, now she addicted to the booth. Make me a legend with a single hard mixtape. I spit truth and she love how that shit tastes. Gotta tie this bow on a sweet gift. Watch my flow and I hit a fucking beat shift. I hustle hard, that's a fact. I'm too knee deep, I ain't never coming back. They told me break them down like some bad crack. Now I'm back in this bitch showing y'all what you lack. Yes, Mr. Killer on the verse. Your dude's too soft, rocking Gucci on the purse. I gave you a head start, you know I finished first. You placed me with a beast, I bet I am still worse. And I am doing this for auto-tune. Niggas acting like I'm never doing auto moon. Once in a blue moon rhyme so easy, but no dreads, no gold like Weezy. Yeah, Fiji water granddaddy perp. Excuse me, I let the semi-automatic burp. Blood game motherfucker, call me red alert. Young live killing all the who gon' get it first. Damn, I didn't even know the hook was in. I came back on this like, yeah. I said, yeah. Yeah, see I'm a home of the Chi-Town. Any fucking lame hoes, bitch, you better bite down. Like right now. See, I don't give a fuck, niggas on that tight down. I don't give a fuck, niggas is dicing. Giving on the beat while you bite like Mike Tyson. In the fucking beat like you acting like you drama. Nigga, this is me, light skin Obama. I said it before, nigga, I let it go. I said it before, I let it acting like you never liked the pedophile. Like you routing up the flagpole. I used to have dreams of big niggas, now they fucking assholes. Looking at a nigga, why you ain't signed yet? I'm on the vine, bitch, you why you tryna grind that? I swear to God, I'm later between the passes. Nigga acting like I'm all fucking sexy with my glasses. Yo, faggot nigga, why you tryna all diss? I take your record and I wipe it with my fist. And why you tryna say on that little bitch shit? Shut the fuck up and fish kiss his fist. Damn, nigga. Oh, fucked up the last verse. It's all good, nigga.